Cancer, your emotional depth and intuition have always been gifts, even if you didn't fully recognize their power. The energy you carry is subtle yet transformative, and there are strengths within you that will show themselves in ways that completely shift your next chapter. Take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Hi, love. It's Ira, and we're going to explore the energy activating your path. The first card is emotional intelligence. Cancer, you feel deeply. But this card shows that your strength isn't just feeling, it's the way you understand, navigate, and respond to emotions, both yours and others. In practical terms, this means you can diffuse tension, read situations accurately, and guide outcomes without forcing them. This emotional intelligence allows you to respond rather than react, to create harmony even in chaotic situations, and to identify opportunities that others miss because they overlook subtle cues. It's a power that manifests in relationships, collaborations, and even career opportunities. Spirit wants you to recognize that your ability to read and respond to energy is already influencing your environment. The surprises in the coming months come from how quickly people and circumstances align when you trust this skill. The second card is adaptability. Life has often demanded that you adjust, pivot, and change direction without losing your center. This card confirms that your flexibility is one of your most powerful assets. Adaptability isn't about compromise or indecision. It's about knowing when to act, when to wait, and how to shift energy in a way that works in your favor. Practical outcomes emerge because you can flow with changing situations while keeping your goals in sight. Spirit wants you to trust this ability. In the next months, unexpected events or opportunities will require a quick shift, and your adaptability ensures you capitalize on them without stress. This is where your unseen power becomes visible. The third card is discernment. Cancer, your ability to sense what is aligned with your true path and what isn't is about to be heightened. This card shows that your strength lies in making choices that honor your energy and long-term goals, even if it means saying no or walking away. Discernment helps you avoid distractions, energy drains, and situations that don't serve your growth. You'll recognize patterns, people, or opportunities that are not as they appear, and you'll make decisions that feel effortless yet powerful. Spirit emphasizes that this is practical, actionable guidance. Your choices now have long-reaching effects, and your discernment ensures that what you allow into your life genuinely supports your growth. The fourth card is intuition. Your inner knowing has always guided you, but this card highlights how much stronger it becomes when you fully trust it. You may find that answers come quickly, opportunities appear right when you need them, or solutions emerge without effort. Your intuition is a practical tool, not just a feeling. It informs decisions about career, finances, relationships, and personal growth. The surprising part is how often the right path reveals itself when you stop overthinking and simply act on what feels correct. Before moving forward, Cancer, if you want your full 2026 money, career, love, and spiritual forecast, the in-depth reading is available for $155. You can book it anytime. The fifth card is patience. While patience may feel like a waiting game, in reality, it is one of your most tangible strengths. Cancer, knowing when to pause, when to observe, and when to act, ensures your energy aligns with the right opportunities. Patience allows things to ripen naturally. Plans or relationships that may have felt stagnant suddenly progress at the right time. This isn't passive waiting. It's active alignment with the flow of energy around you. Spirit wants you to remember that delays or hesitations are part of a larger design. When you honor your timing, results are more stable, more impactful, and more fulfilling than if forced. The sixth card is empathy. Your ability to genuinely understand and feel what others are experiencing is more than a soft skill. It's a strategic strength. This card shows that your empathy creates trust, influence, and meaningful connections that open doors naturally. In practice, this means collaborations, partnerships, or relationships flourish because people sense your sincerity and alignment. Opportunities emerge because others are drawn to your energy, wanting to be part of what you're building. Spirit emphasizes that your empathy is a practical asset that generates results. When combined with discernment and intuition, it ensures you attract what genuinely aligns with your path. The seventh card is focus. Cancer. Despite emotional depth and sensitivity, your ability to focus on what truly matters is extraordinary. This card shows that when you direct your energy intentionally, outcomes become predictable, measurable, and powerful. Focus ensures that your insight, adaptability, and intuition manifest into real results. You know where to invest your time, energy, and resources to maximize impact. If this reading resonates, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, helping these messages reach others who need this guidance. The eighth and final card is manifestation. This is the culmination of your strengths coming together. Your emotional intelligence, adaptability, discernment, intuition, patience, empathy, and focus combine to create results that feel both natural and inevitable. Manifestation shows that what you've been cultivating quietly over time is about to become tangible. Career opportunities, personal growth, financial stability, or deepened relationships emerge in alignment with your authentic self. Affirmation. I honor my inner strength, trust my intuition, and allow my natural abilities to manifest abundant opportunities and growth in my life.